Test 1 2 3. Hi guys, welcome to the Blender quick tip. If you are new, subscribe. Today I'm gonna share with different ways of face selection in Blender. Very cool stuff. So I'm gonna select this cube by the left click, X and delete. Shift A on the magic button, choose plane, S to scale and move the mouse, yes. Click tab to go to the edit mode, right click and choose subdivide. I'm gonna open this window and I'm gonna subdivide this by 20 times and enter to add some subdivision. Now I'm gonna go to this face selection, and what I want to show you basically one way to select some faces very quickly. You can hold control, okay, and maybe I'm gonna select this face and maybe I'm gonna select to the half right here, yes, this face, and this already just fill up the selection as you can see by holding control. So I can select this face, hold control, and maybe right here, and I have those faces selected. I don't have to basically hold shift and select one by one, it's stupid. So select this face, control, and I can select maybe half of this, yes. There is another way. You can hold alt. So I can hold alt and basically I'm just clicking right here almost on the edge, and this just give me this whole selection. I'm gonna show you to zoom in. Basically hold alt and click right here almost on the edge. This just basically give the direction Blender, yes. If I'm gonna click right here and hold in alt on this edge, this basically just select in this direction. I hope you get it. So basically on this edge or maybe on this edge, almost on the edge, yes, I'm just clicking on the face but almost on the edge right here, and this just give the direction. So I have whole selection right here of faces, yes, by holding alt and just clicking on the almost on the edge, or maybe on this edge right here, and this just give this direction. So holding alt and clicking almost on the edge, you just give the direction, the whole basically right here selection you have, yes. I hope you get it. So you have control, hold control, and you can select those kind of stuff, yes, or maybe you can hold alt and clicking almost on the edge, or maybe on this fucking edge, and you have whole selection. You don't have to hold shift and select one by one, it's stupid, yes. And another selection I want to show you, basically I'm gonna select this face. I'm gonna show you an example, and I'm gonna hold shift and maybe I'm gonna select this face, and I'm gonna still holding shift, I'm gonna hold control and click plus. So I'm just holding shift and control and clicking plus, and this just add my selection as you can see with the gap, because I select this face and this face, and I'm just adding as you can see with this gap. So it's very cool stuff too. So holding, select this face, hold shift, and maybe I'm gonna select this face. I have two gaps. Now I'm holding shift and holding control now and click plus, and they just add the same kind of selection as you can see, yes. So it's very simple stuff. So we have three ways to select by left clicking control right here. This just fill the selection, maybe alt and on this direction and on this direction, just clicking almost on the edge, on the edges, and you can basically hold shift and select maybe with this gap, and holding shift you just adding control and clicking plus, or maybe minus to basically delete, yes, the selection, or maybe plus to add more selection. I hope you get it how this works. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, I recorded this very fast. See you on the next video, guys.